You are welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about what I use to do my recording, to create my YouTube videos and all that. The problem with a whole lot of people starting a YouTube is the fact that they think for you to be able to start YouTube, you need fancy equipment and all that. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you that you don't need all that. All you need are simple things and necessary things in which you need to record your videos and do your upload. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you the little things, the little setup in which I use to make my videos. I don't have that kind of money to buy expensive equipment like getting a studio, getting expensive lighting and other things, but I'm going to show you some of the simple things in which I use to create my videos. And you too can also do the same if only you start growing your channel or start a YouTube channel. So this is actually the first thing which I use, which is very important to me because no matter the kind of quality videos in which you make, if you don't have a good sound, it's going to affect you. Because I remember when I started, I usually post videos, and one of the main complaints I had from my viewers was the fact that I need to get a good sound because sometimes they don't hear me well. Sometimes it echoes and all that, and sometimes there's actually noise on the background. So actually, this is actually what I got for my microphone, which is actually what I'm using, which is a K8 microphone. I use it for my recording. This is actually what I use, and I've been using it for close to a year now, or more than that, and it hasn't given me any problem. So this is one of the first things which you need as a creator. And another thing is your smartphone. If you don't have the money to buy a laptop and all that, but actually, actually have a laptop, which is this MacBook. I don't this MacBook which I actually use, but I don't use it all the time. Most times I'm a working person, so I have other work I do. So at times most of the times I use my iPhone, which is actually what I'm using to record. I'm using iPhone 11 Pro Max, which is actually what I use for my recording. But before I got this iPhone, I was actually using my Techno phone to do the editing, and I use CapCut for the editing. So these are actually some of the things in which I've been using. And recently I got this from Oraimo, which is actually a new device I just got, but I've not really started using it, which is this Oraimo face tracking tripod. You can see it looks like this. It's very small, but it face track you while you are recording. So I got this one recently for my content. And another one in which I'm going to be showing you is this particular ring light in which I'm using. And one thing you will know is that there's actually something which I did on this ring light. This is actually one of the first thing I bought while I was starting content creation, because some of the three important things in which you need to start your YouTube channel is your microphone, your smartphone, and your ring light. If you're able to get these three things, you are good to go. Then the next thing which you need is to do what? Master video editing. As a new creator, sometimes it's very difficult for you to be able to compile all those videos, all those recording, because while recording you might make some mistakes while recording and all that. So at times when you want to post the video, you need to do what? Edit some of those rough images, those places in which you made a mistake, and maybe you said something else, right? Trying to say something else. So these are some of the things in which you need to do. So you need to master video editing, and you don't need to look for expensive distance. In my video, if you can check the archive of my video, I showed you how you can be able to get CapCut for free and use all the some or most of the animational effects on CapCut. So is also this. So these are some of the things that is going to help you while thinking of starting a YouTube channel. So I believe you find this video interesting. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.